Mulkey here, and I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas to whenever you're watching this. Sorry, but yeah, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I hope your holiday is calm and bright. And I really hope it's a day in which you're spending time with family, because that is really incredible. Now, for today's trick, I'm going to show you how a guy who was born up north but grew up in Florida, how he was able to. I'll show you how I'm able to make snow. So sit back, relax. I hope you'll enjoy it and check it out. Alright, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed that. I know I did. That was really cool. I really kind of brought me back, and I got not much to say here, but like I said, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and of course leave me a comment in the comment section down below. And as always, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the post notifications icon. That way you'll be notified by every video that I upload. Also, you can share this video to people who you think might like this, and my Instagram is down in the description. I'm Mulkey, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!